Mulan.
First birthday party. Since we are celebrating Dylan first birthday party, let's clap our hands. Everybody clap your hands. Alright. Okay, so before we start, I would like to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Dan, and I will be your host, magician for today. And I'm here to really make sure that everyone enjoy. Alright, so I have a question to all the kids. Who wants to get the prize? Raise your hands. Who wants to get the prize? Okay, what about the young at heart? Who wants to be a millionaire? Just kidding. Alright, just kidding. And now, before we, are you guys ready for the grand entrance? Together for this wonderful occasion, without further ado, put your hands together for Beltran family! Mommy Jacqueline, Daddy Christian, together with the birthday celebrant, Dylan! Happy birthday! Here our entire family is smiling, very happy and full of love for each other. Clap your hands, everyone! Hey! Wow!
I like to move it. You like to move it. All girls all over the world. Original King Julian for the girls, man.
Hello! Happy birthday!
I love to move their body. When you move your body.
Alright, so remain standing. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jacqueline. You may... Yan, even yung si Mommy and Daddy is very generous, nag-ready ng game prizes for the young at heart and kids. So this is correct. Everybody clap your hands for the first winner. And claim your prize here. Congratulations. Raise your hands. Oh, come on. Would you like to join here? Try to guess. Okay, what is your answer?
Liko.
Nico. Okay, what is your answer? What sign is this? Okay, still, what about the other kids? O pwede nyo turuan yung mga kids, mga simple sign lang naman to. Okay, 5, 4. Okay, what is your answer?
No left turn.
No, left turn is correct. Sige. On the stage, cell phone go! Cell phone charger. Oy, kala mo ha? Cell phone charger. Come on, hurry up. Sit down. Everybody. Okay, very good. Knock. All right, congratulations. We have a winner. Clap your hands for Knock. Wow. And look at the camera. Congratulations. Mr. Hakot Award, winning. Look at the camera. Very good. Next. Buhok. Come on. Go to your kuya, ate. Kaya may kuya, ate, meron na yan eh. Ayan. Kuya, ate, tito. Okay. Come on. White hair. Oy! Ayun, congratulations, ma. Siyempre, may premyo rin. Ayan. Bigyan ng premyo si Mommy. Selfie kayo. Lahat tayo merong best friend. Selfie! Sit down! Alright, everybody clap their hands for Kuya Juancho. Ayan, ang dami. Show this one, this 4 silk, and pagbato ko, mamimili kayo ng silk and cover your head. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Get the music. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Hip hip! Hooray! Happy birthday to? Very good. Mr. DJ, hit the music.
Play.
Woo! Okay, everybody jump, 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 jump. Wave your hand, wave, wave, wave. Shake your body like this, shake, shake, and throw it. Okay, just the color. And cover your head, cover your head. Alright, join the other, all the kids. Okay, listen, okay, listen, guys, kids, listen. That color green. But sample pa lang yun, sample pa lang, sample. Okay? Jump, jump, jump. Everybody, wave your hand, wave. Shake your body like this. And throw. Just the color. Alright, very good. And make sure the color. Choose the color. What is your favorite color? What? Red! Alright, get your consolation prize, color red. Go to kay Ate Manilyn. Shout as loud as you can. Oy! Yes, sir. Ma'am, what is your answer? A big quit playing games with my heart is correct. Everybody clap their hands for the first winner. Congratulations. Meron po kayong next song, Mr. DJ, hit the music.
Play.
Shout as loud as you can, yung pinakamaingay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, what is your answer?
Macarena.
Macarena ba yun? Macarena music! Alright, clap your hands for ma'am. Congratulations! It's correct, Macarena. Next song, Mr. DJ. Shout as loud as you can! Wala. Dito pa rin sa mga kay ma'am. Alam na ni ma'am eh. Sige, yan. I need the exact answer.
I saw the sign.
I saw the sign, pero nandun na rin naman yung sagot. The sign is the right answer. It's correct. Pwede na, nandun naman eh. Narinig niyo naman. Yes, ma'am.
Build me up. Ay, ano ba?
Build me up is wrong! Shout as loud as you can! Sino ba? Hey. Words of day. Ayan, sige ma'am. What is your answer?
Buttercup.
Butterfly?
Buttercup.
Just kidding. Buttercup is correct. Galing mo. Congratulations. Next. Okay. Wala man. Maingay dito. Okay, dito. Kay sir. Ito. Kay sir. Yan.
Dancing Queen.
Dancing Queen pa yun? Dancing Queen is correct! Yeah. Alright, next song, Mr. DJ. Alam na. Sige ma'am. Maigay. Sige sir, anong sagot?
Awitin mo yung sasayaw.
Oh, sige, awitin ko daw, sasayawin niya. Music! Sasayawin ko yan sir, ha? Okay, ready?
Walang ibang magsasarap sa pagkikimigan natin.
Yay! Love your hands, everyone!
Ay di na mawakas itong awit na pag-ibig. Awit sa atin ay walang mamukalimutan.
Alright, everybody, clap your hands! Congratulations! Ang galing pang kumanta ni sir, no? Thank you so much, congratulations! Next, music, Mr. DJ.
Play.
Walang maingay, kailangan maingay. Sige, doon sa mga hindi nagpapat. Okay, sir, sige.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the car.
Sige, sir.
Mama number 5.
Ang sagot?
Pinagpalang happy sa atin. Happy birthday, Dylan! Mama number 5!
Ang bago number 4! Alright, congratulations! Sasayawin ni Sir yan! Yay! A little bit of Monica in my life. Alright, congratulations! Last two song. Mr. DJ, hit the music.
Play.
Hoy, binabalik tayo ng mga nakaraan natin sa music na to.
Always. Always.
Paano ba sayawin niya? Wala. Walang maingay eh. Sige, si ma'am. Always, pero kayang katay ni ma'am. Sasayawin ni ma'am. Sayo mo, wow. Alright, clap your hands. Oh, paano ba yung sabi niyo?
Always I wanna be with you.
Alright, congratulations.
Wheels on the bus.
Kakantay ni ma'am yan. Wheels on the bus.
Wheels on the bus are round and round.
Alright, maraming salamat. Congratulations po. And syempre meron kayong game prizes. Congratulations so I love you, Piolo! Okay. Raise your hands. Oh, si ma'am, ayun. Ayan, ang sagot ma'am, what is your answer? I love you, Piolo. Sprite is correct! Congratulations! Muntik na akong umiyok doon. Commercial tagline number 2. Ito na, medyo madali lang. Unang agad, tinapay lahat! Oh! Kay ma'am, dito. Yes. Ma'am. Angel's Burger nga ba yun? Angel's Burger is correct. Congratulations, ma'am. Ayan. Bagay na bagay po sa inyo yan, mga game prizes na yan. Ayan. Tagline number 3. Masarap kahit walang sauce! Oh! Ito kay ma'am, dito sa right side naman tayo. Masarap kahit walang sauce. Parang dun sa gilid, likod, doon naman tayo mamaya. Gusto ko lahat ng table po mapuntahan natin.
Chooks to go.
Ano po?
Chooks to go.
Chooks to go is correct. Congratulations! Wow! Kuminis! Oh, yes sir. Sir, what is your answer? Sinabon ko naman, ayaw kuminis.
Silka.
Silka, malapit na sa Silka! Ayan, nasa tabi lang ng Silka yun. Pag bibili ka sa grocery. Malapit na sa Silka. Give chance to others. Wala na ba? Wala na? Sige, sir.
Eskinol.
Galing ni Sir. Eskinol is correct. Lagi sa grocery sa sir eh. Ayan, congratulations. Eskinol is the right answer. Next, last 3. Tagline. Eto na. ang wallet na maswerte. Dito naman tayo sa mga ano. Kay sir, yan. Seiko wallet is correct. Wow, congratulations. Ayan. Next, last two. Tagline number para sa mga boys. Pag meron ka nito, wala kang talo. Oh, alam ni sir. Sige, sir.
Extra Diyos.
Extra juice is wrong. Pag meron ka nito, wala kang talo. Hindi, isa lang. Give chance to others. Yan. Sino ba? O sige, sir. Pag meron ka nito, wala kang talo. Anong sagot? Sagot?
Cobra.
Cobra Energy Drink is correct. Alright. Last. Eto na, last tagline. John Lloyd Cruz. Okay. Skyflex. Skyflex. Okay, mga in-endorse ni John Lloyd. Okay, next. Ingat. Oh, sa dulo naman. Sa dulo kay Ma'am. Ingat. Yay! Clap. Biogesic is correct. Congratulations. Music in the 1, 2, 3, 6. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now with clappings with energy. There we go. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, Mommy and Daddy, tulungan natin mag-blow ng candles. Hindi natin in 1, 2, 3, blow! Alright, everybody, clap their hands for the birthday family. Yay! And Mommy and Daddy, what is your birthday wish?
You reached that milestone with us, a jolly baby, a happy baby, and a makulit baby. I love you so much, anak. Gagawin namin lahat ni Daddy para sa'yo. And I wish lumaki ka na masaya, malusog, at matalinong bata. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, anak. At nandito kami ni Daddy at susuportahan namin lahat yon. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Dylan. I wish you all the best. I love you.
Stop.
3, go! Alright, thank you. One more. Picture. Ready, 1, 2, 3, and smile. Wagi. Alright, thank you so much. You may... Okay, ready? Alright, at the count of 3, you should shout happy birthday, Dylan, and 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Dylan! Everybody wave your hand! Very good. I swear. Asshole. Ready? Go. Before you may now proceed to our food area. Thank you. And I'd like to remind everybody, mamaya mamimili po kami ng mga kasali sa parade natin at rarampa para manalo ng 1,000 peso bill. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, so it's the right time to dress up. With the originality and the effort put into the costume will count. Alright? Venue today, Victoria Place, Malabon. Thank you so much for our quality lights and sounds. Camp Audio. For inquiry and reservation, you ask the person in charge para at least makapag-early bookings tayo sa ating mga suppliers. And for our photo and video, Pixie Photos. Thank you so much. And for our content creator, Anne and Dominic. Thank you so much. Our food cards, hot dog stands, french fries, juice by Queen Cards. Alright, thank you so much. Next table, please. Alright, thank you so much. Next table, please. Okay, thank you so much. Last two table.
Say y'all having a good time out there. Say y'all having a good time out there. Get on my la fiesta, don't stop the party. I'm just getting warmed up.
Okay, last table.
When it's back home, Beirut Cafe, get my drink on. Can't, they won't, they never will. Stop the party.
Okay, ready?
They can't, they won't, they never will. Stop the party. They can't, they won't, they never will. Stop the party. Say y'all having a good time out there.
Okay, together with Say hi, Justin. Justin Bieber. All the way from LA, Lower Antipolo. Okay, say bye-bye, Justin, bye-bye! Alright, you wanna see some... Touch it, but please be gentle, guys, kids. Touch it.
Just kidding, just kidding.
All right, listen, guys, kids. Do not try this at home, guys, kids. Music, Mr. DJ. Thank you so much. Her name is Sassy. Say hi, Sassy. Don't worry, Sassy is very friendly. Ayan. Say bye-bye, Sassy. Bye-bye. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, everybody, clap your hands for Kaya! Thank you so much. Everybody sit down, sit down. Okay, box out, box out.
Basta Knife, the best.
Listen, kuya. Okay. Very good. Wow, bubbles. the famous bubble tricks here in the Philippines. Fire bubbles! Alright, thank you so much. Hey. Alright, thank you so much, Kathy. Next, fashionista, Irene. Alright, and last but not least, fashionista, Yael.
From Caloocan City.
Hey, bigyan natin ng kasabihan. Isang kasabihan lang. Kahit ano, ikaw, kahit ano.
You don't need to be revealing just to be noticed.
Oh.
You can be noticed by your own beauty.
Nako, mabigat yun ah. Okay.
My name is Ashanti Kauri Beltran. Gandang di mo inakala. From Caloocan!
Oh! Naniniwala sa kasabihan? Naniniwala sa kasabihan? Mukhang artista. Sino ba ang mapapuli?
Mga Salvador daw eh.
Mga Salvador. Okay, thank you so much. Next, contestant number 4.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Irene Beltran, 17 from Caloocan. Ang kasabihan ko lang naman, pag may tiyaga, may nilaga.
Yay! Thank you so much.
My name is John Lauren Pitan, 23 years old, all the way from Caloocan City! At naniniwala sa kasabihang, ang taong di marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan, malamang may pinagkakautangan.
Alright, so mabibigyan contestant number 2. Oh, mabigat na labanan to ha. What about contestant number 3? May kasama pang hiyawan. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 5. Teka lang, parang lahat magagaling eh. Pero meron na akong dalawa talaga na napili. Ayan. Meron na akong dalawa. Sino? Kayo ba? Okay lang ba? Ako na mamimili. Fair naman. Fair naman. Oh, syempre. Hawak-hawak kamay. Hawak-hawak kamay. Hawak-hawak kamay.
Stop.
Hawak kamay. Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1. Out ka na. Thank you so much for joining. And palapakan naman natin contestant number 1. Ayan, high five. Thank you for joining. Actually, lahat po sila talaga is dapat winner na rin naman. Talagang panalo naman talaga. At napakagaling, no? Okay, next. Number 4. Alright, thank you so much for joining. Eto na, guys. Fashionista number. Ang nanalo, fashionista number 2. I got another hands for fashionista number 2. Congratulations. Ikaw ang first runner-up natin.
Ayan, meron kang siyempre from the birthday family and nasa na yung ating apat na contestant. Dito po kayo, meron po kaming ibibigay sa inyo. Tara po, may bibigay po kami sa inyo. Okay. And siyempre,
Ang pasyonista natin. Now, thank you so much.
Hello guys! Gusto ko... Alam niyo ka sila oh. Sila ime. Ayan guys, gusto ko magpasalamat ng maraming sa inyo kasi kasi kung binigyan nyo ng time yung first birthday ng anak ko na si Dylan Wade. And syempre hindi rin naman to madaling puntahan. So nag-effort talaga kayo. Sa families namin, family Pineda, family Beltran, thank you so much sa non-stop support niyo sa amin. Oo. Tapos syempre sa friends namin, na nandito lagi sa simula day 1, simula nung nag-gender reveal kami, laging present. Ayan, thank you so much. Syempre sa mga suppliers namin, kay Sir Dan, thank you so much sa sobrang sigla nating program tonight. And syempre sa food, sa Adalias, thank you sa sobrang sarap na food nyo. Di ba masarap, guys? Sobrang laging nasa-satisfied yung guest namin sa food nila. So, sa music and saka sa LED wall natin na last 2 minutes ko silang tawag dito? In-inform. Tsaka si Kuya sa music. Thank you. And syempre, sa nag-design ng napakagandang party na to, ang Sweet Delights Decoration. Thank you so much. Maganda ba, guys? Yeah! Worth it ba? Yeah! Diba? Sobrang worth it. Syempre, sa cameraman din natin and videographer and kay ate na ating content creator and marami akong ipopost mamaya, abangan nyo. Ayun, thank you talaga so much at mag-iingat kayo pa uwi at sa susunod pa ulit na party na atinan nyo sa pamilya ko. Ay, sorry. Thank you. I love you all. May nakalimutan ba ako? Ay, yung sa nagbubble din kanina, ang galing niya. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganun. Ngayon lang ako naka-witness ng ganun na Tsaka syempre yung magic ni Sir Dan. Sobrang professional niyang mag-host. Kaya guys, kung magbe-birthday yung mga anak nyo, i-book nyo na siya. Sobrang worth it. Ayun, thank you so much. Ingat kayo pa uwi. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo!
alright everybody, clap your hands for the birthday family. Yay! And once again, we would like to thank to all suppliers, especially for our venue today, Victoria Place. Thank you so much. Our sounds and lights, Kenneth Ojo. Thank you so much for our photo and video, Pixie Photos. Thank you so much. Content creator Anne and Dominic. Wow. Food cart, hot dog stand, French fries, ice crumble, juice by Queen Card. Thank you so much. Fruit bucket, ice cream by Sweet Scoop. Catering service, Adalia. Thank you. Hair rooms, Cuisine. Thank you so much. Face paint, Syra Face Paint. Thank you so much. For our photo booth, Photomatic Studio. And for our stylist na napakaganda for today, design is styled by Sweet Delight Decoration. Our coordinator natin today, Hades Siba, Don Antoinette Events. And maraming salamat. Did you guys have fun?
Yes!
Did you guys have fun?
Yes!
Alright, so now I would like to thank everyone for being a part of birthday celebration Dylan, especially thank you so much to Beltran family